can't lie, I already feel a little bit crazed. I see Valentine's Day colors in the other room. I have just got to Silver Moon Antiques and Collectibles. I love this place. I am ready to go and find some more super unique stuff and some Valentine's Day, hopefully. Let's go in and see what's new since I've been here last. Hair dryer chairs, a staple of every home, I think. Ooh, I like this Valentine's Day candy box. It is an older one. I've had it before. To be honest, the ones that aren't fabric covered haven't been selling that well this year. But it's only $4, so I do feel kind of strange leaving it behind. Not sure what to do about that. What is this little, it's like a hobbyist box, $5. That's very cute. I might get crazy and leave it. Wow, people are really on a mission here today. Ah, look at this planter, how cute. Oh my gosh, I love the colors on that, $13. Dang, that's a little bit close. That stinks. I kind of want to do it, but 13 is a little high to justify for resale. I will say it's definitely a lot more full in here. It looks like a lot of the vendors that were in old Sledworks moved here after it closed, which is super good news for me because I loved old Sledworks. They had great stuff. This is so cute, but I looked at that last time, now that I remember. I adore this booth. They have the best unique, odd stuff. I was looking at the taxidermy beaver, and then in here, I was like, wait a minute, what is this duck? $10. That is spectacular. He's kind of sick. I love him. I'm definitely gonna go ahead and grab this. Very unique. And then, is this one of the pajama dolls? She's kind of seen better days, and she's $20, which would be a decent price if she was in better condition for resale, that is. And then they got another rubber face Santa Claus. This one's more 80s. 25 is definitely a fair price for retail. For resale, I can't really do that much with it. So it looks like this booth that I'm obsessed with has expanded. I'm trying not to pay attention to that coat that looks like it has my name on it. Let's see what we got here. Not a big fan of that color. And I have a few things like that right now. Oh my gosh, the little bunnies are cute. I've bought and sold those a bunch in the past. I love all the colors and the way they display things. All right, I can't ignore this coat anymore. This is so cool. $80, that's super fair. I like the buttons on that. Definitely don't need another coat today though. What's this red velvet thing? It's a dress. I don't need this. All right, let me focus. All right, well, the horse rock art is incredible. Oh, that clock is so awesome. Man. Okay, but also they have Valentine's Day stuff here. I love the toy stoves. I'm trying to make sense of this sign. 20% off, sale over $100. Okay, well, I don't think that's gonna happen for me today, but I love this googly eye pineapple pin. I'm definitely gonna grab that for $4. Let's see what else they got. That's kind of different. I do like the daisy earring holder. I've had that one before, but the colors are so spectacular. It's only $6, and it's got the bug. It's in great condition too. I think I'm gonna grab that as well. What is going on here? These are so cute. They're definitely new, made in China. And I love these, anything Valentine's Day themed. I'm a huge sucker for, but what is happening here? That's so cute. 5 note cards. Hold on. So they're all the same, but they're all unused. It's $2. I think they're so fun. I'm gonna go ahead and pick these up. I'm also kind of into these like miniature airline cigarettes. Very cool. Also they have the Valentine's Day coaster set, Hallmark, but it's only $5. I feel like I should get that. I'm gonna pick it up. Call me crazy, but I'm actually second guessing these. I know they're super cheap, but I'm just kind of being a weirdo. What I didn't notice is the Mary Poppins pose doll right here. $10. Wow, that is awesome. Vintage Disney too, Japan. I'm gonna go ahead and grab that for $10. That is fantastic. I also think, I've had this one a bunch. I think this is fantastic. I've bought and sold these in the past. They've been kind of hit or miss. The last few I've had have sat for a while, so I'm gonna go ahead and leave that behind. Let's see what else they got. Oh my gosh, what is this little Happy New Year? How stinking cute are these? Oh my gosh, I don't know how well these will sell. The napkins I might leave behind because I haven't had much luck with the paper products, surprisingly, but these are pretty epic. I'm gonna grab a couple. Let's see what else. What is this? This is so cute. I love these. I'm not so sure about grabbing all of it just because I haven't had much luck with the vintage party supplies, but the little neon Happy New Year babies, I just can't resist, especially because these could be fun for a crafter. For $2, I'm gonna get a couple sets. I kind of want to get all of them, to be honest, but I'm not gonna do that. And look at what we have here. $3. This one has its Jesus, but unfortunately, this one is missing its Mary. Still, for $3, I might as well grab them. It's a shame that one's missing Mary. These usually sell really quick. I usually don't pick them up unless they have Jesus and Mary, and I try to get them in different colors. I've had them in pink, blue, and white, but for $3, I know that I could still make profit on these. I also pulled out this pot. Now, it definitely has some damage. Let's move it aside so we can get a better look at it. Here we go. It's just so cool. $8, doesn't work. It's got a hairline, but I feel like it might be fun for display still. Do you think I can get away with that for $8? I think I've already kind of started to let my guard down in here. Now, I also noticed this set of ceramic musical notes. These are very cool. It's only $6. How many are in here? It seems like a lot of them. Wow, there is a lot in there. That's kind of fun. Yeah, there's a lot in here. Kind of want to grab them. It's kind of a shipping nightmare though, and some of them are chipped up. I'm gonna leave that. Now, another thing they have a lot of are the rainbow mugs. It's been a while since I've had these. Taiwan. That's kind of fun. $6. So I'm kind of second guessing a couple things here. One is this, even though I know it's a really fantastic piece, it's just got so much damage. The more I look at it, the more I see I kind of want to get it, but I just don't think I can get away with that. And these are spectacular, but I'm second guessing them, I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna put them back and keep going. Just kidding. As soon as I walked away, I was like, what am I doing? I'm grabbing some of these. I just looked up comps on eBay, and this was Happy New Year is definitely harder to find. So, oh my gosh, look at these little monkey salt and pepper shakers. Those are too cute. $8.50. Are they? Dang, they're two of the same, so one's missing its mate. I can't really get behind that. This is pretty fantastic too, but $20 is more than I'd like to spend. Dang, this is a really cool piece of Hager. $50. Oh, I like these little bunnies, the one with the little lollipop. That's so cute. $6 is so cheap. I've bought and sold those before. They usually go pretty quick too. What is going on in here? How do you get in this? This is very curious to me. They all have individual price tags, so there's gotta be a way. It's these little Fugia minis. Interesting, I've never seen those before. Well, I normally stay away from new stuff, but these are $3 each, and Fujiya is like pretty much the epitome of kitsch in Kauai. So even though they're new for $3 each, I'm gonna go ahead and grab both of them because they're super hard to find this stuff. Also can't help but notice this shelf of deer. Now, of course, the Hager deer is the most interesting. That is $25, and I'm gonna go ahead and look that up because I've never seen a Hager deer planter like that. Maybe I have. So I'm looking online and I'm seeing a pretty wide variety of price for the planters, so I'm gonna move ahead. I think Hager deers are just on the forefront of my mind because at Roller Mills there was a vendor who showed me like the coolest one I've ever seen. This is really pretty color. All right, let me move on. I'm like killing time here. Look at this funky thing. I think it's newer, if not brand new, but let's see. Made in Taiwan. No, it's got a little bit of age to it. Not as much as I'd like, but still really cool. How much is this? $10? A little picnic set? That is so fun. Oh my god. I kind of love it. Do you think I could get away with this? I'm not sure how much value it has resale wise. I think I'm gonna leave it. Oh, I'm dying over this chair. How cool is that? Well, I only spent $45 in there, but I tell you what, I am not moving quickly today. It is already past 2 o'clock, and I still have at least 3 more stops I'd like to make. So I'll see you guys when I get to the consignment barn.